Alright, mi gente, guys, we're doing an installation, and whenever you're doing a tankless water heater installation, you need to install a neutralizer and a condensate pump. So in this case, it's a 2-in-1, meaning it's a neutralizer and a condensate pump in one. And guys, this is what it looks like. It looks something like this. And the reason why you want this is because the water coming out the tankless water heater is very acidic, meaning I can't pronounce acidic. It's very acidic. So guys, this ruins the piping, and you want to make sure you want to protect the piping of your home by putting a proper neutralizer.
It's going down. 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 This is how you start a fresh rap with a new track.